The personal profile of appropriate lead users in successful medical device innovation.
Hi, good morning to everybody. I will continue the innovation topic regarding medical devices. I will talk about the personal profile of appropriate lead users regarding medical device innovations. It's not about the process, it's about the human side of innovation. I am an academic researcher in the Széchenyi István University. I'm also a businessman. I'm leading the head of business development department at Synthesisnet, a PLC where we develop custom medical softwares. And the title of my presentation is the characteristics of appropriate lead users regarding medical device innovation. Lead users are medical doctors in my consideration. The question up here, who is the right innovator and lead user? We can succeed technical and market success of medical device innovations. The innovation itself is quite timely and costly, so the appropriate lead user to select in the beginning phase of the innovation is a competitive advantage. But who is the right? Do you know the answer? I did not know it 5 years ago, so therefore, in order to investigate this question, I enrolled to the doctoral school and asked the following questions. What are the personal characteristics of an appropriate lead users regarding medical device innovation? And also I set a different question that how deeply, how comprehensively such a lead user need to be involved into the new product development process. It was about 5 years ago. I did not know the answer. Now I know and I will present it. And at this time I was leading my own company. We developed medical hardware and software. And many doctors came to us, tapped on our door and said that I have a very good idea. Let's do it together. Let's develop the product together and bring it to the market. Unfortunately, most of them failed. Only some succeed. And I discovered that the personal characteristics of the successful innovation was the common in lead users. A few words about the research background. I conducted 38 researches regarding complex and non-complex medical device innovations. I use abductive reasoning, which is the induction and deduction combining it. I use theoretical sampling, and also I use systematic combining. I verified my interpretations and also validated the results with lead users. And this is the result, the first result of my investigation and research. Here you can see the characteristic set of an appropriate lead user, medical doctor. We can achieve technical and market success later on. So the first is one of the most important, essential, is the expert knowledge of the domain. He is active, the doctor is active. It means that he has to own a deep tacit knowledge, make intuitive decisions, has a holistic understanding of complex situations, and see the big picture, and also think out of the box. I saw that even though of the high expertise, that the motivation start to fail at the age of 60, 65 of the doctors. The next one is very important, high level of technical knowledge, which enable a better worked out ideas and solutions, more efficient communications with engineers, and also the efficient reasoning to the discussion with investors, with customers, and so on. Experimenter mindset. The continuous experimentation leads to a significant improvement of initial idea of the prototype. And also it shows the lead user's motivation to carry out the innovation, because in many cases it takes 2, 3, 5 years. Social and professional connectedness. It plays an essential role to test the initial idea, modify the idea, improve it, and later on also facilitate the promotion of the product on the market. Status of formal authority. This is essential in terms of changing medical protocols, guidelines, and also influence the market, changing mindset, impact mindset changing. And the last is the strong communication skills, which means that the lead user has to be able to clearly express the idea. And in many cases, what I discovered also personally, that experts using metaphors, and this is not good when we are talking or when he or she is talking to engineers or investors. Metaphors is not good to understand each other. The next slide or graph shows the impact of different characteristics. On the lower layer, we see the characteristic which has low impact on the outcome of the innovation. In the mid-level, we have moderate impact. And on the high level, we see the essential characteristics. We have to realize that some characteristics in the beginning is not important or has low impact on the technical and market success of the product. But some characteristics are essential in the beginning and also later on. Some start to fail at the end, at the market promotion part of the new product development. But we have to say they are somewhere always essential. Okay, 2 takeaways of my research and my presentation. The first is the personal characteristics has impact on the technical and market success of the product. And the second one is about the involvement of lead users. So medical doctors have to be involved in the each stages of the new product development process, including the idea generation, development, testing, and very importantly, the market diffusion stages. So thank you. Actually, my research is available on the ResearchGate, and I am personally available here on the stage of 11, or the booth of 11 next to this stage. So thank you very much.